Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using the picture-in-picture feature on iMovie for Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open your project in iMovie. Tap the plus button at the top left of the editor. Choose to add either a video or a photo. Tap the file you want to use so that it's highlighted in yellow. Tap the three dots icon and then select Picture in Picture. This will add that photo or video to the project as a picture in picture. To edit that clip, select it from the timeline so that it's highlighted in yellow. You can drag the corners to make it bigger or smaller, and pinch to zoom in or out. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iMovie tips and tricks.